Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel, and this video I'm going to discuss about the monthly positional strategy which we are going to follow for a monthly positional trades, either directional or non-directional, and monthly monthly IV sheet that was updated today's back, and we find some opportunities and more volatile stocks and some quality stocks which we are looking for. Here in this top 10 stocks we are looking for some quality, but there is a good opportunity, very few number of stocks having high volatile. So maybe a lot of stocks which is less than our expected volatility. So maybe that stocks having opportunity to give you some good opportunity. You can look for a non-directional, and some stocks may be liquidity issue. Here I mentioned that one is in pink color. There is not a liquid Crompton, and some of the stocks are not liquid yet. And based on the selection which I find out based on some stock which is looking good for the monthly. So this may be a 15 stocks where I'm just looking for this month April contract. So from this list I find sale is performing well today, so where I can go for a sale. So you can apply our strategy number 5 if the stock given you an opportunity. So sale which is given in the breakout in Camarilla R4 in the first candle itself. After that it was giving you such a good move. So based on our concept, so we use an IV, that Google Sheet, that for an option scanner. So based on the monthly position, you can track this 15 stocks. If you find a good opportunity for a breakout, you can maybe you can use it. And I was seeing there is a sale will be there in the list around 134 call option. 14.2 is our breakout, and today it is closed nearby 10.8. So that maybe if it is giving you the breakout, so we will be going to focus for our option strategy. And if that strike price is not liquidate, and you will be focusing 135 also, you know how to select the entry price. So those who are already finished our strategy, you will be know how to select. So better 134 instead of 134, you will be see 135, that is having a good liquidity. So maybe you will be finding out this one for around 14 rupees. So if it is given in the breakout, so we are going to take. As of now, we are not planning any opportunity from that particular stock. So we'll look for an opportunity whenever it given you the breakout. And this 15 stock, so where I'm selecting the top 15 stocks, and I thought to make this video by yesterday, but unfortunately some internet issues, so can't able to do that. So here these are all the 15 top 15 stocks for the month of April. So let me track. If you find any good opportunities from that, you can go for GMR Infra, and that has also worked well today, and it moves, but it doesn't give you an entry. So it doesn't provide you entry opportunity at this moment. From this list of stocks, if you find any good quality breakout, because with all the stocks where we are filtered from 182 F&O stocks, maybe a good liquid, and also you can utilize our scanners for stocks which is having more volatile, and also be the profit percentage based. Also you can just calculate some of the stocks like a Zeal were be in the list, and also Zeal performed today, and intraday it is giving you such a good opportunity based on our Camarilla R4 breakout. So you know we made a scanner which helping you to find out a breakout. So here it is almost a fourth candle 142, and it went up to 148. Such a good move from Z Entertainment. So after the breakout, so where you can see on our Google Sheet on intraday. So there also be the breakout which is happening on Zeal 140 call option 8192. So Zeal 140 call option, sorry, it's about 140. Yeah, so 140 call option, we can see there is a breakout which is happening on 8.9 on almost 10:15 to 10:30 candle. After that it moves, but if you've seen, there is a liquidity issue. Maybe this one it due to some sudden spike, it may be moving higher, but mostly liquid stock you should play with an intraday options, not for not liquid. So sale also be there, but what happens, sale it was given you the breakout in the first candle itself in intraday. So if any stock which given you the breakout in the first candle, we are not going to take it. But here in this case 7.5 is our breakout, and it started with 8.5. So after that it moves 10.8, but this signal we are ignoring, it is not a valid signal. So M&M to 80, that was works well, and even I made a shorts for this also, M&M to 80 call. So look at this, here is the second candle breakout. So maybe R3 or pivot. This difference on intraday, But positional, you can look at the stocks which we have selected on the blue line. Okay, that would be some quality, and I am expecting some good move from the stocks for the month of April. So as of now, no stocks which is triggered from this list, and even you can check with that. So we will be filtered by the colors, and these are all the stocks which I am selecting, like Indupetro, Tata Steel. Tata Steel also today moved almost 163. Our entry point is around 157 and monthly. So where you can say 156. In this case, you can go for 155 also. Tata Steel 156 is on our entry point. As of now, that was giving you such a good move. So almost 10.8. So let me check with our sheet. Where is the Tata Steel? Here 11.6 is our entry point. So currently 10.5. So 11.6 where it is given you the breakout today. So no. So maybe nearby, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if you the stock which given you the breakout 11.6. That is what on our advanced option entry. Okay, based on the concept which you have learned on our session 11.6, maybe we can track. So from that 15 stock which we have selected, this would be a nearest one, maybe going to give you some breakouts from that list what we are looking for. Okay, so something like that. These are all the stocks, you can note it down and you can add it on our watch list. Maybe you can track. And Crompton not liquidate, and Zeal also slightly liquidity issue, but we are focusing some 3 to 4 stocks how we are going to filter out from this list monthly once. So okay, so that is what our concept also in our positional strategy, how to filter out 3 to 4 stocks for a monthly basis positional strategy. That is the main concept which we are discussing on our course. And based on this course, those who are my student are already having the access to this sheet, and just watch that thing, and whatever the stocks which you are given, and as well as you have access to our Google sheet, and then you can utilize it that also. And today also we are finding some stocks that was triggers our entry point, but some of the stocks may be not liquid at this particular list. So based on our monthly concepts, so maybe someone who had taken Muthoot Finance that was not liquid. Let me check 1480. That was a monthly opportunity. Muthoot 1480 call option, and you can see in the first candle itself it moving towards 113. So normally we say to avoid, if any stock which triggers our entry point in the first candle, maybe the reversal should be possible. So we will wait for the level to retrace or re-entry, we can plan for this. Okay, in this case Muthoot Finance is not a right one. And the second stock which is given Indcopper 29.1, I was seeing that, but liquidity issue. Indcopper 280 call option, where we are looking for a monthly positional, and you can see in the second candle, this candle around 29.6, where it is triggered in this particular candle only around 9:30 candle. So this is a valid entry, but I'm just looking at there was some liquidity issue, that is a bid ask gap which is available on that. So I just looking at it, this may not be good. Someone who taken that also, and he was booking some good also. Okay, it depends. And DLF is the final one that given you opportunity 900. You can look at this DLF 900 call option, whether it is a good option. So where it is triggers our entry point and good liquidity also, and it is almost for 55, and the same candle around 10 o'clock to 10:15 it is reaching to 55, and next candle itself it went out to 79. So not achieving your target, but this is the valid entry which we got it with the good liquidity and based on the concept. So if you are watching or tracking our sheet, the one entry which is closing nearby 20% higher from our entry, but meanwhile it went up to 79. Okay, from 54 to 79, almost 20 points. So that may be in future, so then maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, if the trend continues, it can be achieve our target. Okay, so that based on the first day, so we find out a quality in DLF. I hope you understood the concept which I are using for our advanced option strategy. I have already updated the monthly sheet for an April, and remaining sheets I have from 2020 we are doing the same, and that was I added for some difficulties. So I just keeping this one. Maybe if you want to get for a reference, so you can access that also. Okay, so currently we are showing you the current month data only. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel, and if you have any other questions or a doubt also, just comment on the comment box. Thank you so much.